Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today my video is a lipsticks haul. Is that a haul? Probably not a haul. I've bought a lot of lipsticks probably over the past 6 months, so I wanted to try them all on for you today, and I'd like to hear your thoughts on what colours kind of suit me better and what you think of the shades, and also whether or not you've had any of these products and what you actually think about them. The first one that I wanted to talk about is the one I currently have on. This is LMX Little Mix Christmas gift set collection. That's the shade that I've gone for, In So Deep. That's the one that I've gone for today. And I've heard mixed reviews about the matte lipsticks from Little Mix, because I think a lot of people aren't really fussed on them because they don't last very long, or they transfer and that they just feel quite cheap. But I've had this on now for probably a good 5 hours. I haven't topped it up once and I'm quite impressed with it, I've got to admit, because it's still on there. It's still looking pretty good, and there's no transfer at all on there either, so I'm actually really impressed with the Little Mix collection. I think I have tried this shade on before, or one of these shades before. I didn't use the lip liner on it, but you get 4 lipsticks in the collection, and then you also get 4 lip liners to go with them as well. So I think it was originally £18, I think. I got it for £9. I can't remember if I got it for... Yeah, it must have been £18. I think I paid £9 for it. I don't remember. I don't know, but I got it half price anyway in the Boots sale, and I did actually notice at my local Boots the other day that there was still 2 of these left. So if you do want to head down to your local Boots shop and see if they have any of these left, I would highly recommend getting them. So I'm going to apply a bit more on. Okay, so next up we're going to try is the Makeup Revolution Retro Luxe Metallic Lip Kit, and this is in the shade In Waiting. Now I got this off Beauty Bay maybe a week or 2 ago, and it was, I think it was £3.60 down from £6. Now this is not my shade at all, especially looking at this, but I'm hoping that it's going to be completely different on the lips. Ooh. Wow. Guys, it's stuck. Guys, I can't get the lid off. I think it's melted on it. Okay, so we're not going to be using the lip liner. Already unsure about this. I don't know whether or not I would. I'm gonna give this lip liner another go. Okay guys, so I don't know if you can see, I've tried my best to get this lid off and it's not budging at all. I tried it with scissors. So I don't really want to put this on its own because I don't think it's gonna look any good at all. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna try, they're not exactly the same color at all, but I think that's one of the closest I've got, but it's something I needed to try out anyway, and it's a lip liner, Golden Rose Dream Lips lip liner. I think it's just 521 is the shade, but it's from Primark, so we're gonna use this. Okay guys, I think that's the best that I'm gonna get. I'm not a fan, I will admit. Like, I didn't think I would be, because I don't like metallic lipsticks, I don't like lip gloss or anything like that. I tend to stick to my matte colours. I mean, the lip liner worked really well. I'm just not a fan of the metallic lips, and it's quite sticky as well. Yeah, it's definitely a no from me on that one. I do quite like the Makeup Revolution lip kits that they do, but especially with the pure fact that I couldn't even get the lid off on the lip liner. Like, what the hell's up with that? I don't know. So, now, next up. Okay, I recently bought a load of L'Oreal makeup at an amazing price. I got some amazing bargains in Boots with a clearance sale that they had on. And two of the items that I got in there were these. And they are the L'Oreal Paris lip paint. They're both the matte ones. This one that I've got here is the shade Nudist, and it's 212. And this shade here is Apocalypse Red, and it's 205. Because I'm a bit unsure about these because they look quite drying. I don't know if you can see that, but it's okay. It's okay. It smells gorgeous. It smells like bubble bath, like a fruity flavour bubble bath. Lovely. I don't know what I think about this one. I'm gonna let it dry a minute, but I think I like it. It feels really lightweight on the lips. It's got like a pinky undertone to it, so it's not quite as deep red as it looks there. It has definitely got like a fuchsia kind of undertone to it, which I do quite like it, but I'm just gonna let it dry. So I think I'm gonna put another layer on because, I don't know, it's always this bit here in the middle. I can never get lipstick to stay there. I think it still needs a bit of drying time. It does take quite a long time to mattify. It also transfers like a bitch. Like, you can see there. It just doesn't seem to be mattifying as much as expected. I love the shade of it, I really do, and I love the brush on it. It's got, I don't know if you can see if I do that, but it's almost got like a lip on it at the end there, so when you're applying it to your lips, it's good. It's almost like a bit of a good stencil. It like cups your lip in between the brush. So I do like that. Like I said, I'm just not fussed on the finishing look of it. But hey, it was a bloody good bargain because I think they cost like £3, £3.50, down from maybe £7.99 or £8.99, so I'm quite chuffed with that. I will try this one on next, only because the colour of it is like one of my favourite colours to wear on my lips, and I do really want to see whether or not it's exactly the same as the red one or whether it does actually matte down a bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to try the other matte lip paint that I got from L'Oreal. This one is in the shade 212 and it's Nudist. I'm actually loving this. That's just one coat on there and it's completely mattified. Like, I'm in love with this shade right now. I think this is like an everyday shade that I'd wear. I've got a few colours that are quite like this. They're a bit harsher than this though. They're a bit more deeper in like their pigmentation and they're a bit thicker as well. This feels so light. It doesn't feel sticky. It's mattified and it's such a nice shade. Like, I'm so happy with this one. I wasn't actually going to try it because I thought it would be exactly the same as the red shade, but just a different colour. How two products that are exactly the same, just different shades, can be so different. I'm stoked with it. Like, I can't wait to wear this. Just going out anywhere in the day just to put it on. So yeah, I'm really happy with that one. Like I said, this one is the 212 Nudist shade, and that's in the L'Oreal Paris Lip Matte Paint, as you can see. But yeah, the shade on this is just perfect. It's like my perfect shade, that one. Next up is another L'Oreal one, and this was also one bargain one that I got. I think this one was actually free, but it would have been £3, but because it was 3 for 2, it was actually free. and this is from the Le Chocolat, if that's how you pronounce it, collection. And I have smelt it. It smells beautiful. It smells just like chocolate. There. It's the Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade Tasty Ruby 864. So let's apply this one, shall we? Oh, all I can smell is the chocolate. So this one is completely different to the other one because this is completely mattified, I think, before I've even had a chance to even it up a bit. I think I'm quite happy with that. It's quite, I don't know if you can see, it's quite sticky. I love how much it's mattified. It's so nice, and it's a lush colour as well. I don't know whether or not to add another coat to it to see whether or not it goes like that deeper red. I think I'm going to put another layer on just to see what it does. Okay, so this is a dangerous lip colour. I've literally got it everywhere. It transferred so much onto my teeth. I think I managed to get it off, but I've just literally just got lipstick all over my hands now. It definitely does look better with the second coat on it. The red has gone like more of a deeper shade. It's still super sticky though, which is, it's a bit annoying because every time I talk or every time my lips touch each other, it's sticking, and it's quite annoying. I mean, it smells delicious. I probably will use it at some point. So yeah, all in all, it's not bad, like that one. I'm quite happy with that one. I prefer it better than that one. Definitely prefer it better than that. It was just a couple of ones I think I've actually used in previous videos that I just wanted to talk about. I'm not going to try them on because, like I said, I've done them in previous videos. The first one is the Kat Von D. It's the mini lipstick that I got, the mini studded lipstick in the shade Double Dare. It's a stunning colour. I got it as my Secret Santa with the Kat Von D tattoo liner, like a little gift set, but that's the shade of it there. I have used it a couple of times. It's really nice, but I've always wanted to try the Kat Von D lipsticks, and I'm quite stoked with that one because that's like one of my colours, and it's the mauve one, like one of the mauve shades. And then the second one is the Topshop one that I got in the shade Devotion, and that's also a matte one. As you can see, I've used that a few times as well. It's pretty much like quite similar to the Kat Von D Double Dare shade, but it's another mauve one, which I do highly recommend getting on that one as well. And then the third one is actually from NYX, and it was from the Machinist collection. We had Steph Toms was promoting it, and she's one of my favourite YouTubers. Bing bing! And I really wanted just something from her, from that collection of hers, and so I went for this because it was just my shade. The only thing is what I didn't realise until I got it home was it's actually not matte, which I was quite surprised about because she's quite known for her matte shades. But I'm just going to put it on here. So that's the shade of it again. It's probably not far off the shade for that one there. They're probably not far off. It's another mauve one. And considering it's like a gloss, it's not bad. It's not really very sticky either. It's quite a nice little lip gloss to have. So my favourite one definitely has got to be the L'Oreal lip paint, the matte one there in the shade 212 Nudist. Highly recommend. If you can still grab them down at your local boot stores, but these are the LMX by Little Mix collection, and of course you get 4 shades in there. They're all the nude shades, and then you also get the 4 lip liners in there as well. But I've used 2 of them. I think it's those 2 are the colours that I've used. I haven't gone for the 2 outer ones yet. But like I said, it's mixed reviews on this from a lot of people, but for me, it's definitely a thumbs up. I would highly recommend them. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, then please smash that thumbs up button just down below, and also comment on the video. Just let me know your thoughts and whether or not you've had any of these products and what your thoughts are on the products. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, then please please, please, please subscribe. And also head over to my Instagram account, which is holly.rutter, and head over to my Twitter account, which is holly_makeup. And until next time, guys, take care.